So for the emergency traffic, shot fired. He's barricaded inside. Give me units, give me units.
Right here, 1, 2, 3. Shots fired, shots fired. Shots fired, shots fired, 240. Man, go over there, go over there, go over there. Where is he?
He's in a restroom, he's on the floor.
He's on the floor?
Yes.
Man, go over there, stay out of the way, go over there, stop, stay over there. Man, go over there for now. Go over there. Ma'am, stay over there. I know, stay over there. Okay, stay over there. What? I can't go in there. You have to wait. Wait. Ma'am, stay over there. Where is he? Stay over there. Ma'am, wait. Stay over there. Ma'am, we have medical on the way. Stay over there. We have medical on. Hey, move it. Is he shot? Don't move. Open the door. Keep the door open. Come out. Come out real quick. Come in. Don't move. Don't move. Come on.
You ready? On your.
Watch your hand.
Yeah.
Why? Don't come up until we get lined up.
You ready?
Yeah. Show your hand. Show your hand. Show your hand. What's his name? What's his name?
I don't know. Brandon.
Randy, show your hands, Randy. Randy, show your hands.
And what is it?
Brandon. Go. Shoot, Rios.
HPD, if you ain't gonna come out.
I'm on you.
Here, get the shirt. Get the shirt. Get the shirt. Come on, Charlie. Come here. Come here. Okay. Okay. Hold up. Seal. Hold it. Hold it. Hey, roll HFD. Suspect is down. Roll HFD. Suspect is down.
Nah, we don't get down yet.
Yeah. Hold on. Come on in. Hey, watch the crossfire.
Hey, hold on. Let's get the shield first.
Hold on. We got it right here. Hold on.
207, keep it quiet. That's the primary unit talk. Remain calm.
Okay, you stay on the air. Yeah. Watch your hands. Why? Don't come up until he get lined up. Yeah. Show your hands. Show your hands. Show your hands. What's his name? What's his name? Randy, show your hands, Randy. Randy, show your hands.
Brandon. Go. Shoot, Rios.
HPD, if you ain't gonna come out.
Here, get the shield. Get the shield. Get the shield. Good shield right there. Hold on, Chavez. Hold on, Chavez. Hold on, because there's two sides. Watch that. Rush the room and there's where is he at? Ask him where he's at. Where is he at? Where is he at? Get the gun. He's in the bathroom. He said, what's his name? What's his name? Randy, show your hands, Randy. Randy, show your hands.
Brandon. Go. Shoot, Rios.
HPD, if you ain't gonna come out.
Here, get the shield. Get the shield. Get the shield. Get you right there. Hold on, Charlie. Hold on, Charlie. Hold on, there's two sides. Watch that. Rush the room and there's. Where is he at? Where is he at?